Welcome back to Smart Living. Today, we're showing you 5 genius kitchen and cleaning essentials that will save you time and keep your home looking brand new. First, let's talk pantry organization. This 2.5L sealed storage container is the perfect solution for grains, flour, and rice. Its portable design and airtight lid ensure your food stays fresh and moisture-free, while the transparent body lets you see exactly when it's time for a refill. For the bakers out there, this semi-automatic flour sifter is a game-changer. Featuring a comfortable hand-press design, it allows you to sift flour smoothly with just one hand. It's non-stick, mess-free, and ensures your cakes and pastries come out light and fluffy every single time. Next, keep your fridge clutter-free with these small food preservation boxes. These transparent, sealed containers are perfect for leftover fruits, vegetables, or small snacks. They stack perfectly to save space and keep your fridge smelling fresh and organized. When it's time to deep clean, don't settle for basic sponges. Our 3-piece gas stove cleaning brush set is designed to tackle the toughest spots. With durable wire bristles, these brushes reach into every dead corner of your stove and range hood to remove heavy oil and burnt-on grime that regular cleaning can't touch. Finally, for those stubborn rust stains on your pots and pans, the magic Emery sponge brush is pure magic. The strong decontamination power of the Emery surface erases rust and stains instantly, while the built-in handle protects your hands and provides a better grip. Upgrade your home with these smart solutions. To see more daily hacks, like, share, and subscribe to Smart Living.